Class, in this video we continue with part 2 of our discussion from section 4.3 in your textbook on logarithmic functions. We're going to be evaluating some expressions in this video. So remember, a logarithm is just a fancy way of expressing the exponent in an exponential. So we're asked in this first example to find the value of log base 2 of 16. What's that equal to? Well, the corresponding, if we have a question mark on the right hand side here, the corresponding exponential equation is 2 raised to what power is equal to 16? Well, 2 to the 4th power we know is equal to 16, so log base 2 of 16 has to equal 4. The exponent 4 here, right, is expressed with the base of the exponential 2 and the value of the exponential 16. Remember, the base of the exponential and the base of the logarithm are the same. And the 4 on the right hand side of the logarithm is the exponent 4 over here in the exponential. So log base 2 of 16 has to equal 4 because 2 to the 4th power is equal to 16. What's the log of base 2 of 1 equal to? Well, 2 to what power is equal to 1? Well, we know 2 to 0 power is equal to 1, right? 0 is the exponent, so log base 2 of 1 has to equal 0, right? 2 to the 0 is equal to 1. What's log base 2 of 2 equal to? Well, we know that 2 to the 1st power is equal to 1, so log base 2 of 2 has to equal 1, right? 2, the base 2 raised to the 1st power is equal to 2. What's the log of base 2 of 8 equal to? Well, we know 2 cubed is equal to 8, and so log base 2 of 8 is equal to 3, right? 2 raised to the 3rd power is equal to 8. Remember, the base of the logarithm and the base of the exponential are the same. And so what the logarithm is equal to is the exponent in the exponential. What's the log base 2 of 32 is equal to? Well, we know 2 to the 5th is equal to 32, so log base 2 of 32 has to equal 5, right? 2 to the 5th power is equal to 32. What's log base 2 of 1/32 equal to? Well, from up here, right, we already know 2 to the 5th is equal to 32, so 1 over 32, right, is equal to 1 over 2 to the 5th, and you know 1 over 2 to the 5th can be written as 2 to the minus 5 power. So 2 to the minus 5 power is equal to 1/32. So what's log base 2 1/32 equal to? It's equal to, right, so we're asking 2 raised to what power is equal to 1/32? Well, 2 to the minus 5th power is equal to 1/32. So log base 2 of 1/32 is equal to -5. What's log base 3 of 9 equal to? Well, 3 squared is equal to 9. So log base 3 of 9 has to equal 2, right? 3 squared is equal to 9. What's log base 3 of 1/3 equal to? Well, we know that 3 to the minus 1 power is equal to 1/3. So log base 3 of 1/3 has to equal -1, right? 3 to the -1 power is equal to 1/3. What's log base 5 of 25 equal to? Well, we know 5 squared is equal to 25, so log base 5 of 25 is equal to 2, right? 5 squared is equal to 25. What's log base 5 of 1/25 equal to? Well, again, 1/25 is equal to 1 over 5 squared, and 1 over 5 squared can be written as 5 to the minus 2 power. So 5 to the minus 2 power is equal to 1/25. So 1 base 5 of 1/25 has to equal minus 2. 5 raised to the minus 2 power is equal to 1/25. What's log base 6 of 36 equal to? Well, we know 6 squared is equal to 36. So log base 6 of 36 has to equal 2, right? 6 squared is equal to 36. What's log base 9 square root of 9 equal to? Well, we know 9 to the 1/2 power is equal to square root of 9, right? Or square root of 9 written with a rational exponent is 9 to the 1/2 power. So log base 9 square root of 9 is equal to 1/2. 9 raised to the 1/2 power is equal to square root of 9. What's log base 49 of 7 equal to? Well, we know that square root of 49 is equal to 7, and square root of 49 written with a rational exponent is 49 to the 1/2 power. So 49 to the 1/2 power is equal to 7. So log base 49 of 7 is equal to 1/2. 49 raised to the 1/2 power is equal to 7. What's log base 9 of 3 equal to? Well, we know that square root of 9 is equal to 3, and square root of 9 written with a rational exponent is equal to 9 to the 1/2 power. So log base 9 of 3 is equal to 1/2. 9 raised to the 1/2 power is equal to 3. What's log base 9 of 81 equal to? Well, we know 9 squared is equal to 81, so log base 9 of 81 is equal to 2. 9 squared is equal to 81. What's log base 5 of 0.2 equal to? Well, 0.2 is equal to 1/5, right? 0.2 is equal to 2/10, which is 1/5. So asking what's log base 5 of 0.2 equal to is the same as asking what's log base 5 of 1/5 equal to. Well, we know 5 to the minus 1 power is equal to 1/5. So log base 5 of 1/5 is equal to -1. 5 raised to the -1 power is equal to 1/5. And then what's log base 3 of 1/9 equal to? Well, we know that 1/9 is equal to 1 over 3 squared, and 1 over 3 squared can be written as 3 to the minus 2 power. So 3 to the minus 2 power is equal to 1/9. So log base 3 of 1/9 is equal to -2. 3 raised to the -2 power is equal to 1/9. What's log base 3 of 1/27 equal to? Well, we know that 1/27 is equal to 1 over 3 cubed, right? 3 cubed equals 27. So 1/27 is equal to 1 over 3 cubed, and 1 over 3 cubed can be written as 3 to the minus 3 power. So 3 to the minus 3 power is equal to 1/27. So log base 3 of 1/27 is equal to -3. 3 raised to the minus 3 power is equal to 1/27.